This is a dummy battery kit that provides constant power to the Panasonic G85 camera. As you can see, there are just 3 parts that comes with it. And just a note that this kit will not charge battery. The camera won't go into sleep mode and it does not turn off. These are just some of the benefits of using this dummy battery. To use it properly, you must make sure that the battery door cover is fully closed to avoid breaking it. It can be connected to an electrical outlet or power strip. However, for the purpose of this demonstration, I will be connecting it to a Ryobi battery inverter just to show how mobile this can be. It works like a charm. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe.